Hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.3, 7 and 8 problems. See the question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. They have given smaller number, larger number, no? Let larger number. I don't know the two numbers, no? Let the larger number equals to x. I am taking the larger number b, x. Smaller number as y. I don't know it, no? So I am taking it as y. What they said? The difference of squares. The difference. Difference means what, ma? Subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Squares. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Difference means minus. Squares they have given. X square minus y square, how much they have given? 180. The square, see here, the square of the smaller number. Smaller number means y. The square of the smaller number is means equals to 8 times. 8 times means multiplication. 8 into the larger number. What is the larger number? X. Means y square equals to 8x. The square of the smaller number equals to, smaller number means y, is 8 times. Times means multiplication. The larger number 8x. Means in the place of y square shall I substitute 8x? Yes. X square minus 8x. Send this 180 to this side. Minus 180 equals to 0. See here. Shall I take factors for the first term and last term? Minus 180 x square, no? How much we have to get? 8. Oh, it is easy. 10 18s are how much, ma? 18 10s or 10 18s are how much? 180. Take xx. What is the symbol here? Minus. Means for one number plus and for one number minus. Which symbol is, which is plus and which is minus? See here. What is the symbol here? Minus. So for bigger number minus, for smaller number plus. Substitute this. X square plus 10x minus 18x minus 180 equals to 0. See, if you add this both, you have to get the middle term. Here x square, here minus 180. Like that only I have written. In the place of minus 8x, I have written 10x minus 18. Minus 18 plus 10. How much? Minus 8. Is it okay? See here. Now, in this both, take x common, x plus 10. In this both again, minus 18 common, x plus 18 tens are 180 equals to 0. So, how much? X plus 10 into x minus 18 equals to 0. In this both, I have taken x plus 10 common. Here remaining term is x. Here remaining term is minus 18. Now, separate it. X plus 10 equals to 0, x minus 18 equals to 0, x equals to minus 10, x equals to 18. Here negative number, no? I am neglecting the negative number. So, therefore, what is the larger number then? Larger number equals to 18. Then what is the smaller number? For finding the smaller number, we have 1. What is that? Y square equals to 8x. Y square equals to 8x. That equals to 8 into x means 18. 18 8s are. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. 9 10 11 12 13 14. 144, no? What is that? Y square. Y equals to what, ma? Plus or minus root 144. 144 means how much? 12 12s are. See, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 144, no? 12 12s are. Means square root of 144 is 12. Means y equals to how much? Plus or minus 12. Therefore, what are the numbers, ma? 18 comma 12. That is one pair. And the next pair is 18 comma minus 12. Did you understand? No doubt, no? They have given larger number, smaller number. I don't know the larger number. I am taking it as x. I am taking the smaller number as y. They have given that the difference of squares of the numbers is 180. and the smaller number square is equals to 8 times the larger number square. This I have substituted it and solved it. I got two values. This is negative value, but larger number. If I take negative value, will the square root will be there? No, it will not be possible. So I am neglecting this. So x equals to 18. We know that y square equals to 8x. In that I have substituted. I got plus or minus 12. So what are the numbers? Maybe x comma y may be 18 comma 12 or 18 comma minus 12. Did you understand? Shall we go to next problem? See the question. A train travels 360 kilometers. Sorry ma, 1 minute. See the question. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. What is the distance ma? Distance equals to 360 kilometers. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. I don't know the speed. I am taking it as x. We know the time formula. No, what is the time formula? From so many problems we are doing the same formula. Time equals to distance by speed. Here t equals to distance how much ma? 360 by x. Let it be equation 1. In the next case, the distance is same, 360. But what they said, speed has been increased by how much? See here, if the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more means what? Plus. Means speed is already we have taken it as x. Now it has increased by 5 kilometers per hour more. More means plus. X plus 5. Then what they said? It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Means time is what? Time has been decreased by 1 hour. T minus 1 equals to distance 360 by speed x plus 5. Time has been decreased by 1 hour. So t minus 1 equals to distance by speed x plus 5. Did you understand? In the place of t, shall I substitute 360 by x? Yes. Substitute here. 360 by x minus 1 equals to 360 by x plus 5. Both are 360 no? Send this to this side and this to that side. 360 by x. If I send this to this side, minus 360 by x plus 5 equals to minus 1 to that side, plus 1. Now take LCM. X into x plus 5. If I take LCM, what it will do ma? Cross multiplication. 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x equals to 1. Now send this to this side. Multiply it. 360x plus 360 into 5. 360 into 5. 6 5s are 30, 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. 1800 minus 360x equals to 1 into something means this only. X into x plus 5. I am multiplying it ma. Here it is dividing it. If I send to this side, it will multiply. X into x, x square plus 5 into x, 5x. And now see here, plus 360x minus 360x cancel. I am sending this plus 1800 to that side. X square plus 5x minus 1800 equals to 0. No terms here now, it becomes 0. Now see here, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A equals to 1, b equals to 5, c equals to minus 1800. You know the formula now. What is the formula ma? X equals to, for finding the factors, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. In that you substitute the values. B value 5 minus 5 plus or minus root of b square 5 square 25 minus 4 into 1 into c value minus 1800 divided by 2 into 1. that equals to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus into minus plus 1800 into 4. 1800 into 4. 8 3 is 20. Sorry. 2 16, 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. 4 1 is 4. 5 6 7. 7200 divided by 2. See again. Solve this ma. Minus 5 plus or minus, add this both. 7 2 2 5. That's all no ma. 25 here. Zeros are there. 7 to 2 5. By 2. Root of 7225. It is a very big number now. How to do it? We want to get the root value of 7225. 4 numbers are there. No. Take from right. Pay 2 numbers. We know the 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square 5 square 6 square how much? 36. 7 square 8 square. Why I am writing like this? To understand for you. See, I am taking it as a pair. 25 is a perfect square. Now what is the value of 25? 5. Now 72. See where we will get 72? 9 9s 81. See, 9 square is 81. 72 means where we will get? In the middle of these two numbers, no? Means I am taking the smaller number. 72 before smaller number means 8 square. So from 85 I am starting and checking it. Shall I start from 85 to 90? You check it ma. In the middle of any number you can get, or 85 also it may be. Take 85 first. 85 into 85. Check for 85. For 5 is a 25. 8 5 is a 40. 41 42. 8 5 is a 40. 8 8 is a 64. 65 66 67 68. Add it. 9 10 11 12. 7225. Means we got directly value. What is the value? Root of 7225 is 85. That implies, I am doing here, minus 5 plus or minus root of 7225 is 85 by 2. Now solve it ma. What is this? X equals to. Plus or minus no? Take separately. X equals to minus 5 plus 85 by 2. That is one value. X equals to minus 5 minus 85 by 2. That is one more value. See here. X equals to 85 minus 5. How much? 80. Bigger number symbol 80 by 2. Here both the numbers are minus. Minus 85 90 by 2. Here I am getting the negative value no. So neglect this. Means x equals to how much we will get? 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 45. But negative value no. So I am neglecting here. See here x equals to 2 1s are 40. Therefore x equals to 40 no. What is x? Speed. Will the speed will be in the negative value? No, we are neglecting this. Therefore, the speed of the train equals to 40 kilometers per hour. That's all. Our problem is completed. Did you understand ma? Here the distance is fixed 360 kilometers. I don't know the speed. I am taking it as x. When the speed has been increased by 5 kilometers per hour, the time taken is 1 hour less. Normally, distance by speed means 360 by x. Here, t minus 1 equals to 360 by x. In the place of t, I substituted this 360 by x. I solved it. At last, I got two values. This is negative value, so we neglected it. Therefore, the speed of a train is 40 kilometers per hour. That's all. Problem is completed. Easy, no? Don't get confused. If you have any doubt, give in the comment box. I will explain you. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.